Hi. Working from home is convenient, but it can also lead to unproductive habits. Many of us have struggled to work from home last year, and now is the time to start settling into it so that you can feel good and productive in new work environment. See, there are many large corporations, including Facebook, Spotify, Microsoft, Salesforce, Twitter, and many startups who have rolled out the plan for long-term remote workforce, even beyond 2021. So a few things which needs to be fixed from long-term perspective are number one, we need to establish a morning routine and stick to it. See, it can be tempting to roll out of bed and onto your computer or bring your computer into bed with you, right? Yes. But this can affect your performance. And that is where experts suggest some morning rituals which can make you more productive. So first ritual is be ready in office appropriate clothes and try to turn on your camera for as many office calls as possible. That's first. Second is keep checking in with your close friend or maybe a family member so that you don't, so that you can prevent social isolation in this work from home scenario. Third suggestion is prepare a to-do list, or I would say a must-do list for each day. So this is on the first point, which is to establish a morning routine and to stick to it. And moving to the second step, which needs to be taken to remain productive in work from home scenario is please separate your workspace from the rest of your home. See, as you adjust to work from home on permanent basis, it is helpful to shift from couch or a kitchen table to a designated workspace that is separate from other rooms in your house. And if possible, allocate an area that's both organized and distraction free. See, this is because the more you can create an office type environment, better it will be for your productivity. So this was on the second part, which is try to separate your workspace from the rest of your home. The third and the most critical suggestion is to retain and increase your productivity in work from home is to put screen restriction on your phone. See, many surveys conducted in India and outside, they have shown that smartphone users spend anything between 2 to 3 hours every day scrolling on social media. And believe me, this is very human. And why? Because without our colleagues and boss to call us out, we risk wasting our hours on social media to feel a sense of belonging in this isolated work from home situation. Hence, my friends, it is uber important to manage the urge to check notifications or respond to comments or messages and browse the news feed. And that you can do this by enforcing some screen limits across all the devices, and the platforms you are using. These days, there are many smartphones which now have this as an inbuilt feature, and you just need to go into it and enable those features. And if your phone doesn't have it, then you can download one of the many free apps which are available on the Play Store or the App Store, which can help you reduce your screen time and you can hold yourself accountable to stay productive. So my friends, these were 3 things I wanted to share with you all, which can help you better plan your work from home scenario from long-term perspective and remain more productive. Thank you and see you in the next video.